reaction lang po. Reaction ng candidates sa Payagas po. Along with Senator Revilla.
Senator, message na po sa supporters nyo. Senator Jinggoy.
Ano ba? Gusunod kami.
Senator, message na po natin.
Abogado nyo.
Sir, kumusta po kayo?
Sir, kamusta pakiramdam, sir? Sir, message lang po natin, sir, sa supporters natin, sir.
Sir, reaction sabi po ni DILG Secretary, you were arrested daw po, sir.
Ito kayo nag-surrender, sir. You were arrested daw.
Sir, any reaction on that, sir?
Sir, may missing clarification.
Sir, did you surrender or were you arrested, sir?
Lawyer.